That's simple. I don't think anything could come close to this kind of a easy treatment. The process of activating the chakra lifetime, I just mentioned that. What else can you do with your two hands? Not self-treatment for chronic disease alone, not treating others only for chronic disease. You can do even temporary problems, like there's a cut, this wound is bleeding. Put your hand, bleeding stops. Maybe 15-20 minutes of Reiki, pain will subside. When you see it, it will look like it was a cut which happened some time back. Or same thing with burn injuries, same thing, you got a loose motion, you got a headache, any such things. In fact, these days, we send people to ICUs. Post-surgical development, improvement with Reiki goes very well. I told you, Reiki heals. Surgery, after surgery, so that there is no infection and healing is fast, even doctors ask for Reiki. It's growing. After first degree Reiki, no, I didn't complete, sorry. In Reiki I was saying, what all you can do, first degree, basic course. You can touch yourself, do your treatment, you can touch others, you can do their treatment. You can heal animals, dogs, cats, suffering animals, put your hand, they will take Reiki like you give to human. You can treat plants and trees. A tree which is drying up, start giving Reiki regularly, you will find new leaves. You can treat even inanimate object. Frequently you get such stories from people, it's common. The car battery is down, not taking start, give some Reiki, maybe it reaches you home. That kind of a thing, because that's also energy. You see, giving Reiki to this mic is made of what? Atoms. It's energy, this is high energy. Frequently people find success in doing it. Second degree Reiki is advanced course, it's recommended. But one can learn it only after doing 21 days self-cleansing. We call it self-practice. When you get benefit, then you come for that. And that gives you unlimited capability. Understand my word, what I mean by unlimited capability. In that 2-day class, one is empowered by attunement here on the third eye chakra. This is next to your pituitary gland. Did I mention to you, all chakras are located almost overlapping your endocrine glands. And your pituitary gland, which is your master gland, is located here on third eye chakra, which controls all the functions. So once this chakra is attuned, whatever, 4 times more power comes to you compared to first degree. Second, whatever you think you can send Reiki to. Now, this makes distance Reiki possible for everybody who goes through this. In the class, you send Reiki from here to there, other person says he feels the presence of energy, vice versa. This distance Reiki gives you capabilities. Someone is ailing in hospital, sitting somewhere, you are doing a very purposeful support to him. You can heal situations, like somebody is appearing in examination, just by visualizing you are empowering the examinee to perform better. For self, you can send Reiki in advance. Okay, today I've come here for giving maybe talking to you. I can send Reiki in advance to energize me when I'm speaking. All such things one can do. You can heal relationship, very commonly used by Reiki channels. You see, husband, wife, friends, colleagues, relationship has become a problem because of impatience. Giving Reiki to heal the relationship from a distance, it works miraculously. Before I conclude, time is running out. I mentioned to you, Reiki can heal body, mind. Anyone who practices Reiki for say 6 months finds amazing change. He becomes a different person. Can you think about a person who has lack of confidence growing into confidence? No medicine can give it. By putting hand on the solar plexus, I told you this chakra performs on your wisdom, power of determination, self-confidence, etc. Each chakra has a psychological bearing on you. Now it becomes easy for you to handle your problems. Suppose you are very negative. What will you do? Give more, hands on lower belly. You start healing your lower belly, which contains all negative feelings, thoughts, attitudes. Slowly, in few months' time, you are a different person. Not only that you feel, others will perceive you that way. It's very common. Similarly, when you treat yourself, your spirituality, I mentioned that Reiki helps you there. Chakra starts becoming more powerful. Naturally, this chakra brings more divineness into you. More Reiki to your root chakra, where Kundalini Shakti is there. What is Kundalini? I told you, like a sleeping snake. It's mentioned in our scriptures. Lying dormant, many ways, many methods could be there to awaken it. There are different systems. All systems are good. See what suits you. But Reiki, the concentrated energy after second degree we call is beginning of spiritual journey, because sometimes Kundalini gets touched and the obvious symptoms come on the people who practice. Slowly you can feel the movement of this spiritual energy, and as it grows from lower chakra to higher chakra, when it comes to crown chakra, those are the people we have so much respect. We consider them divine because this is oneness with divine. And that is highest spiritual attainment, called enlightenment. In one life, we should be able to achieve everything. Our scripture says, even in 1,000 lives, if you have moved, you have moved. And that's how I started my discussion today. I am only trying to tell you a step. We talked yesterday about present situation, which is not good. Society is suffering. We talked about there, the ideal situation. We all have enlightenment, but you need to take a step. And this step, one step takes you closer to your goal of spirituality. Remember, for those not exposed to Reiki, it may sound magical, mystical. How can hands become warm? How is it once it becomes full of vibration and warmth, it remains lifetime? What has it done? All these questions will remain. But truth is, you will feel exactly what is being said. And no words can explain it. One has to experience. I will only tell you, have you experienced God? It's same as somebody tells you, can you see God? No. But experiencing? Maybe. Presence of divine? Maybe. Similarly, in our common day-to-day, someone asks you, have you seen love? What's your answer? Have you seen love? You don't see love. You see manifestation of love. Reiki makes your heart more broad-based to accept love, to give love. And what else is spirituality? To end, I will quote Swami Vivekananda, with forgiveness if I make some slight mistake in my pronunciation. Bahu rupe shommukhe toma chhadi kotha khujicho Ishwar. Bahu rupe shommukhe toma chhadi kotha khujicho Ishwar. Jibe prem kore je jon সেই জন সেবিছে ঈশ্বর. Thank you patiently.
Thank you so much. We thank Sri Amar Kumar for speaking so beautifully and elucidating the basic principle of traditional Reiki. May I Amar Kumar being felicitated by Srimati Madhulika Kanori. We have with us today Dr. Blossom Furtado,